The apartheid flag has once again sparked debate among South Africans. This after the Nelson Mandela Foundation asked the courts to declare public and private display of the flag unlawful.
AfriForum is leading the backlash against the move. The parties are squaring off in the Equality Court sitting in the High Court in Johannesburg.
General salute! Peace!
A symbol of white supremacy and oppression for millions of South Africans. There's now debate whether it still has a place in post-apartheid South Africa. There's now a tug of war between the Nelson Mandela Foundation and groups that want to preserve it.
AfriForum must tell us why white people in white events must continue displaying the apartheid flag. And it is true that AfriForum is entitled to promote its culture. What it is not entitled to do is to promote racism. And by retaining apartheid street names, it was promoting racism. Precisely by arguing for the continued display of the apartheid flag, it's promoting racism.
The Human Rights Commission also joined the application as friends of the court. Counsel for the commission dismissed those defending the flag, nothing beyond apartheid nostalgia.
Now, what these people who wave the old flag, what they do is not only to wave the apartheid flag, but they also choose not to wave the flag of democratic South Africa. So it reinforces the racist message. We yearn for the old racist South Africa. We don't identify with a new democratic, non-racist South Africa. That is the message that they send. So they say to all around them, including all their black compatriots around them, I yearn for the state in which you were oppressed and you were humiliated and my superiority was recognized and entrenched. It is a profoundly humiliating and insulting statement to make to their fellow South Africans who were the victims of the racism in apartheid.
AfriForum is adamant the public and private ban of the apartheid flag would be an infringement on freedom of speech.
AfriForum acknowledges that the flag has this capacity to be offensive and to cause emotional distress. It has no particular love for the flag. What precedent would be set by banning the 1928 flag? So it would render all such displays as unlawful and amount to a ban. And such a ban could set off a series of unintended consequences. So first, it could drive hateful views underground where they cannot be monitored. And there's enormous value in being able to gauge the extent of racist views in South African society.
The case comes as South Africa commemorates 25 years of democracy. Parties will make responding submissions on Tuesday. Gillian Pillay, SABC News, Johannesburg.